Learn 2 powerful CapCut tricks to level up your editing, perfect for beginners turning pro. Let's jump in. Color isolation. This trick helps you highlight one specific color in your video while making everything else black and white. It gives a cool cinematic effect and draws attention to the selected color. Select the video in the timeline. Click on Adjust. Then click on HSL. Now select all the colors you want to turn black and white. For each color you select, like red, blue, green, yellow, etc., drag the saturation all the way down to 0. Saturation basically controls how colorful that color appears in your video. So when you set it to 0, that color becomes black and white. Repeat this step for every color except the one you want to highlight. For example, if you want to keep the red color visible, only leave red untouched and turn down the saturation for all the other colors. This creates a strong contrast where only red will stay vibrant, and the rest of the video will look black and white. It's perfect for giving your videos a professional and dramatic look. Now you'll see only that color popping out while the rest turns black and white. Text behind subject. This trick lets you place text behind a person or object, giving a creative and professional feel to your video. Select the video in the timeline. On the top right side, click on Video. Now click on Remove BG. Check the box for auto removal. Next, copy the same video clip from the timeline. Paste it on the track above the original video. Now select the lower video track and uncheck auto removal. This brings the background back for that layer. Now it's time to add the text. Click on Text and drag and drop the default text into the middle track, right between the 2 video layers. Type your text and style it however you like. Change the font, size, or color. To animate the text, go to Text Properties. Take a starting keyframe. Then move forward a few frames and take another keyframe. Now reduce the scale slightly. This creates a smooth zoom or shrink effect. Right-click on the text layer and select Create Compound Clip. Then split the text layer into 2 parts. Move the left side part to the top video track so it stays above everything. Now increase the duration of the top text layer by 2 frames. This helps create a smooth transition. Click on Animation and apply a simple fade-out animation to the text so it disappears gently. That's it. Your text now smoothly animates behind the subject while keeping the background clean and pro.
Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.